Supernova blooming in my dark, your laughter echoes through my atmosphere. We're orbiting what neither can steer. Every cell's in resonance, chemistry we can't dispense. You're the pulse beneath my wrist, the quantum leap my heart insists. Oh, we're the light that bends through a time to souls in perfect paradigm. Your touch rewrites my DNA in every possible way. This gravity of us won't fade. We're stardust in love's cascade. Your voice, the compass in my polar night, a magnetic field that feels so right. Where photons in entangled spin, where you end is where I begin. No algorithm could predict this superfluid paradox. We're breaking every kismic law, tisking laws in love's delicious far. Our love's the fourth dimension's curve, the answer every quite deserves.
Looking to enhance your Tesla experience? Jowua offers premium accessories designed to elevate both functionality and style. From innovative phone mounts to advanced USB hubs, every product is meticulously crafted in-house to meet the high expectations of Tesla owners. With fast delivery in just 4 to 7 business days, a comprehensive 4-year warranty, and a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, Jowua ensures a seamless shopping experience. Products with batteries such as controllers, LED lamps, and portable compressors come with a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Designed by Tesla drivers for Tesla drivers, Jowua accessories provide the perfect fit for every Tesla model, including the Model S, 3, X, Y, and Cybertruck. Visit Jowua.com today and use code APTESLA at checkout for an exclusive discount. Details in the description.